Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about TokenPocket Ultimate Crypto Wallet. Alright, let's begin. TokenPocket, one of the most popular multi-chain crypto wallets. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will give you everything you need to know about TokenPocket in 2025. So, in order to understand its features, benefits, and how to use it effectively, you have to follow these steps. Let's start with what TokenPocket is. It's a decentralized crypto wallet that supports multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Polkadot, and more. It allows users to store, send, receive, and swap cryptocurrencies securely. The wallet also gives access to decentralized applications, dApps, and DeFi platforms directly. Key features of TokenPocket. Multi-chain support manage different cryptocurrencies in one place. Built-in dApp browser easily access decentralized apps like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and OpenSea. Secure private key management. TokenPocket ensures users have full control over their private keys, making it a non-custodial wallet. Cross-chain swaps swap tokens across different blockchains without needing a centralized exchange. NFT support store and trade NFTs seamlessly within the wallet. Staking and earning rewards. Stake certain tokens to earn passive income. You can set up TokenPocket by download the app from the official website or app store. Create a new wallet or import an existing one using a private key or mnemonic phrase. Back up your recovery phrase. This is extremely important. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Add your favorite tokens manually. Add custom tokens or import them from the supported networks. Start using the wallet. Send, receive, and trade your crypto instantly. Pros and cons of TokenPocket. Pros include supports multiple blockchains. User-friendly and beginner-friendly. Non-custodial, giving users full control over their assets. Access to DeFi, dApps, and NFT marketplaces. Built-in staking and swap functions. Now, cons can be overwhelming for complete beginners. Some dApps may not be fully optimized for mobile use. Security risks if private keys are not stored properly. Final verdict about TokenPocket. TokenPocket is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a secure, versatile, and feature-rich crypto wallet. Whether you're into trading, staking, NFTs, or DeFi, it provides a seamless experience across multiple blockchains. However, always ensure you secure your private keys to avoid any risks. So that's all about TokenPocket, the ultimate crypto wallet. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.